Hey guys, one more engine I wanted to show you that I had recently purchased. This is a Conrail SD40-2 non-powered version. This only has working lights on it, but is the non-powered version of that one right there. That's the powered version. I bought that in July, and I was talking on YouTube with my buddy Joe, who is Southern Treatment on YouTube, and Nick, who is PGH Train Fanatic. All three of us are real big SD40-2 fans, and I was just talking with Joe about trying to find one of these not too long ago, and I happened to find one on eBay, so I feel pretty lucky that I had actually found that. But it makes a great great addition, great lash up, running them together, and it was just a nice find. And I know I talked to the guys at MTH. I can put smoke in that, but if I do that, in order to work, I have to run 4 of the power wires from the main engine into the smoking unit that would be in this this engine here, and they would constantly be tied together there, lashed up together because of that, those 4 wires. So I probably won't do that at this point, but if I wanted to, I know that that is an option. But it looks great running together, and I'll try to get some shots for you guys soon, and show you running around the layout together.